Hello, my name is Lisa Fox, and I want to first start off by saying thank you very much for teaching this course. It has been well worth taking it because I had no clue a lot of the information about the Holocaust. So it has been thoroughly worth taking a summer class, and I would definitely recommend it to anyone. But I want to start off with what I chose to draw. One of the pictures that kind of stuck with my head was the trains. The trains leaving out, and each time there was those hands reaching out like as if they were reaching for that last bit of the freedom, I guess you would say, that last feeling of normalcy, of just being, not, I guess, not wanting to let go. And that's what I chose to draw. I am definitely not an artist. It was a big deal for me to sit down and draw with color pencils because it's something I definitely do not do. But what I chose to draw is actually the train car with the small little window and that small hand coming up and reaching for the fresh air. But that's what I chose. I hope it's okay. I know that it might not look like much to you, but it actually really did mean a lot to me. And I thank you for asking us to do something like this, because it definitely took me out of my comfort zone. Thank you so very much. I hope you have a wonderful summer also. Have a good evening.